Hi guys, today I'm gonna transform this thrift store vase. I paid only $1 for it. Clean it up, wash it with some soapy water, and now it's nice and clean. I'm using my hot glue gun just to put dots all over it, and I'm just gonna let the glue flow wherever it wants to. And that's gonna create a unique design, and then I'm gonna spray paint it. Alright, so just keep watching. And please remember to give me a thumbs up before you leave if you decide to leave early, which I think you should stay until the end. That will help my channel to grow, okay? And also your thumbs up, that will help others to see my videos so I can continue to grow and produce more videos for you guys. Okay, so just keep watching. So I'm done applying my hot glue and I let it sit for about an hour to dry properly. Now I'm using a brush to get rid of most of the glue webs, and I'm also using a soapy sponge to wash it properly. And I'm washing the outside and the inside, and I'm using a soft microfiber cloth to dry it properly before I start to spray paint it. Now it's nice and clean. For my spray paint, I'll be using my Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint, and I'm spraying on the inside only. And I'm making sure that my spray touches everywhere on the inside, so I'm turning my hand so the spray will get underneath the lip. After I was done spray painting, I left it out to dry for a couple hours, and here's our beautiful vase. I'm going to be styling it with these beautiful flowers. I'll leave a link to these flowers in the description box below. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye.